In this video, I'll show you how to insert text box in Microsoft Word. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now at first, you need to be logged into your Microsoft Word, right? So I'm going to insert a text box right now. What you need to do, you'd scroll to this insert option, right? You'd click on it, you'd scroll down, you'd see the text box option. Insert text box in the document, right? I'll click on it. Once you have done this, this is the text box, and you can automatically adjust it to the size you want, right? It can be, you can adjust it to be big, to be smaller, right? You can come in here and type anything you want to type in. You can type in good, right? So this is basically how you can insert a text box in Microsoft Word. Ensure you share your thoughts below. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.